Alright, this is winter storm Neptune at 9:09 February 14. A couple inches coming down now. Look at that. See if I can focus. It's a couple inches on the ground. On top of, look at my floor real quick. On top of, you're looking at about 50-60 inches of snow there. Some melting snow. Let me go over here to see this one better. That is crazy. Let me try to test this DSLR camera with the selfie kind of mode, but just holding the camera at this angle and let you see. You probably can't see me, but it's really cold right now. I'm about to go back in, but we got a couple inches here now. Hopefully tomorrow, not too much, but they're saying about 5 to 10 inches, and it's supposed to be a blizzard conditions. So here's a car coming right now. I guess he's just parking there. Right now it's parking snow banned, so you can't park on the street. After 12 o'clock tonight, you're supposed to take it to the garage. Any of the city garage is free parking, or they will tow your car. So I'm just gonna end this video soon. Subscribe me for more, guys. And thanks for watching. I'm trying to do better with this video. Hopefully I make better videos.